Hey everybody, if you really want to get those biceps going, put your bench like this at an incline, grab a curling bar, put some weight on it, set yourself up like this, alright, and then up, nice and controlled down. Really think about contracting the biceps at the top, flex those abs, all the way back down, full range of motion. Nice contraction at the top. Slow back down. Want to make it harder? Hold. Hold. One last thing you can do is nice negatives. Okay, so up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so different ways to go about it. Get those biceps nice and loaded, turned on. Let me know how it goes. If you like the video, please subscribe and have a great day.